Here's a steering shaft that I made for a C1500 1990 to eliminate the rag joint. This is the end that you will need to hook up to the actual steering column. It's double D steel, stock rag joint shaft. I cut the rag joint off, just got a flat cut off wheel, cut it off to where it's just this joint. I used a piece of this double D steel. I used about an inch and a half or so. Put it inside of here to have a little bit sticking out in order for the spline end to fit on there. Welded it in there, and then I got it bolted on there in case I got it bolted on this side in case the U-joint ever goes out. And yeah, it eliminates the rag joint. Should last a lot longer. Should be a lot stiffer steering. Yeah, so you could use the stock lower part of the shaft that the rag joint connects to and tighten up your stuff. And it looks a lot better in there. I'll have all the parts in the description. Just copy and paste it in there. I don't know how to do all this YouTube stuff. I'm just kind of learning. But yeah, I haven't got to test it out, but it feels a lot tighter inside. I'm just moving around the garage. I got the bed off right now and gonna wash and paint the frame. Yeah, so here it is. Let me know in the comments if you have any kind of questions. Thanks.